A source of errors in spreadsheets is where text is typed into formulas. So you'll see one of the reports you have is this formula with text. If you hover over it, you'll see it shows all the text that appears in formula. So that's anything that's between inverted commas. The key here is to actually look through and identify the ones that potentially have an error. So what you'll notice is, for example, we've got a few in inverted commas, less than 0, equals, and bigger than 0. So that would concern me a bit. And I'd also look through anything that says true or false in inverted commas has potential risk. And then I'd also look at just bad spelling, things that could be causing a problem, but you aren't sure at the moment. So for example, let's just go look. So one of the first ones I'd look at is any of these, less than 0, equal to, bigger than 0. So let's click on that. And you'll see if you go look at those formula. So in this case, it's a COUNTIF. So this text is inside a COUNTIF. It's one of the special criteria. So the question here is, should it be less than 0? Maybe it should be less than and equals to. So you can quickly identify those. The other thing I'd worry about is wherever I see the word true or false in inverted commas. So there's a false and there's a true. So I'm going to click on the true and let's go see what it's doing. And you'll see over here it's a if formula. So the first part looks okay. If E4 equals true, no inverted commas, do something. If F4 equals true, but now it's got inverted commas. So let's go look at that formula. So what you'll see here is this formula is trying to decide whether we interview someone, hire them immediately, or just reject the application. The problem with Excel is the word true and false are actually numbers in Excel. So a user who accidentally sees the word true and decides to put inverted commas around it is actually stopping Excel from identifying the true as a number. So in this case, here it's correctly looking for true, which actually is a 1, but here it's looking for the word true. So you're going to have errors in this case because the if can't handle a true with inverted commas.